Hey everyone, I'm back. I had several job interviews to go through over the past couple of weeks, so I had to put video making on hold. Anyways, today I will be showing you how to make custom database writables in Java. So without further ado, let's get started. So anyways, I already have my database set up. My table that I will be using today will be the employees. As you can see, the schema for the employees table includes an employee ID, an employee name, and a department ID. So now go to Eclipse and create a new project and name the project databases. So for this project, we will need two jar files. One which has the DB writable interface that we'll be using, and the other one is the JDBC for connecting to the database. So now create a libraries folder and then add the jar files to it. Create a new package and name it database tutorial, and then create the two classes of employee and database connect. The employee class will be the one to implement the DB writable interface. Make sure to check that the employee class has all the fields of the employee table. This is very important. After you're done that, you can start implementing the read fields and write methods of the employee class. Declare the driver you're using to connect to the database, and then input the credentials needed for connecting. For this specific case, the username is root and the password, make it my new pass. For this example, we will use the DB writable employee class to insert two new employees with ID of 13 and 14. We will then select them from the database and print out the values of all their fields. Finally, we will double check the actual database in the MySQL workbench to make sure that the values are all there. The good thing about using prepared statements is that you can reuse them later on with different values rather than write a whole new SQL statement for each new operation. Okay, once you're finished coding, run the program, and as you can see, the values are all there. Now, time to check in the database through the MySQL workbench. As you can see, those two records are also there as well. So basically, this is how you use the custom database writable type.